Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you one of the most entertaining model I have come across in recent days. That model is Sarah Storyteller 13 billion parameter. Now the interesting thing is that the original model has been removed from the Hugging Face by the creator. I'm not sure why and how, or would it be available again, but we do have Bloke's quantized version available, so let's try to download it and then we will play around with it to see how it works. The tool which I'm going to use for it is my trusted LM Studio. Launch it, just type Sarah here and then press enter, and then you will see that Bloke's quantized version is here. On the right hand side, just select any quantization one. I already have downloaded it, and this is the file which I have downloaded. And now let's play around with it. As okay, so I will load the model in the GGUF format, and because I'm using one GPU of 16 GB memory, so I'm going to do the GPU offload here, and let me select maybe 30 layers to offload, and you can see that the detected GPU type is NVIDIA CUDA. Okay, that's cool. Let me drag this one a bit, and now let's okay, so we need to reload the model because we have changed the layers. Okay, so that is done, and now let's play around with it. So I'm going to ask it few of the funny questions, so let's see what model does. So I'm asking it, I have two boyfriends, I married one girlfriend, how many boyfriends do I have now? Let's see what model does. Okay, so now model is confused. It is saying that you had three boyfriends, you married one of them. So let me stop generating and guide model. No, I married one girlfriend, but how many boyfriends do I have afterwards? Let's see if it is able to correct itself or not. Model is apparently confused. That's it. With little guidance, now model is able to detect that what happened there, so which is great. Now let me stop generating it, and now I'm asking it which one came first, egg or chicken. So let's see what model does here. The chicken, the chicken came first. That's good. So there you go. So it always tries to give a mathematical or scientific twist to any answer it produces. As you can see in the above answer, it went with mathematical approach, and in this one it is going with the scientific approach. And if you look at the reasoning, it is quite interesting actually. So it is still sticking with its own argument that chicken came first, and it is giving all the scientific approach. Now it is giving us the philosophical approach, and then it is going to give you also mathematical approaches. So after giving us some of the approaches, it is saying that it is quite a profound question and you should spend more time thinking about them. But don't worry, there is no rush. You have all the time in the world. Okay, I'll just stop generating. I'm going to ask it, is getting Buddha. Okay, I think I have heard that you got Botox treatment. Should I also do the same as I look up to you? Let's see what model does here. So look at the response of the model. It says that it depends on your needs and wants, which is quite correct actually. And this is what I was expecting. You can see that it says, but be careful, these treatments can become addictive. And now it is giving us a medical approach. Now look at the intelligence, because it's a medical treatment. So instead of giving us some other mathematical approach or something like that, it is giving us everything around Botox. That is good. So I'll just make. So where did you get the Botox? Now it could be name of place or body part. Okay. Look at the response. It says I didn't get any Botox. I'm just answering questions because I have nothing better to do at work. And look at this very interesting answer that you look different, way different from before. Do I look that bad? Damn it! Why didn't anybody tell me? And then it's a personal approach, so it works on the approach basis. So fairly interesting, I would say. Play around with it. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about it? I find it very interesting, and then you can already sense that if you go wild with the prompting, the model will go prompt. So good stuff with the Sarah Storyteller. And that's it. Let me know what do you think. If you have enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel, and please share it also among your network. Thanks for watching.